Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Ansible session. Okay, I mean Ansible day 2 session. So today we are going to discuss about how to deploy our Ansibles. Okay, so I will show you that step by step. Okay, so this is our agenda today. We are going to discuss about these all the chapters. Okay, like how to write the Ansible configurations file. Okay, and what is a configuration file, and I will explain on that, and then writing and running the inventory files, and then test the connectivity with the modules. Okay, and using the host variables and the grouping and host and using patterns. Okay, so and I will show you the real-time example. I will show you some lab experience. Okay, I mean exercise as well. So the first topic, what is the configurations files? So right, so in our mobile also we have some settings like that, right? The based on our settings, so our mobile is act, right? So based on setting, if example you're going to increase your brightness, if you are going to decrease your brightness, so you are going to put on a silent. So based on that our setting modules, our mobile work, right? The same likewise here, Ansible, there is some configuration files. Okay, so in the configurations file, based on that configuration file, so the Ansible is going to act. Okay, so actually the configuration file is we have to modify our project specifications. Okay, so I mean it is depend on your projects. Okay, so I will show you what contents inside the configurations file. You can see here, these all the contents inside the configurations files. Okay, so the first the line is a default. Okay, ignore that. And second, you can see the inventory. So inventory means, so the inventory, we have to mention the inventory locations. Okay, so for example, 1 second, I will 1 second, guys. I will start on my VM. I will show you, guys. You can see here. So today, what we are going to discuss. So this is our Ansible server. Okay, this is a control node. So this is our target side. Okay, so right now I take example only 2 servers. Okay, so real time you can take more than 100 or more than 1,000. So how much servers you can able to access, you can make it accordingly. Okay, so what we are going to do today, so here what is the configurations file and how to write the inventory, and we will going to testing the 2 servers. Okay, so from the control node we are going to test this server. Okay, so I will show you the demonstrate as well. So actually why I'm taking that paid right now, so here there is a host file, right? You can see the PPT. Here we need to mention the inventory file, right? So the inventory file means, so the here inventory file means, so we have to mention the 2 IPs. I mean these 2 servers details, we have to mention the host file. Okay, so I will show you in server side so you can easily understand. Okay, so that's what I'm taking the paint now. So I'm go back again slide. So we have to mention the inventory locations. So based on inventory locations, the Ansible is going to read. Okay, so after that the remote underscore user, so we have to mention that user should be in Ansible users. Okay, to access the all the perform the activities by the Ansible users. Okay, and second, host underscore key underscore checking is false, so that means it will not going to validate our checking, and because before we are going to already enable the SSH key as well. Okay, so in that slide I will show you, I mean in that sessions I will show you how to enable the handshake between the both servers. Okay, so this is the timeout I setting the 30 seconds, and the fork is means 5 means that there is a process. Okay, the we know, right, the parallel process. So the based on that, if we can increase, you can increase. The easy 5 is a default. Okay, and then this is our inventory file. So I told you, right? So actually basically these inventory files I will show you this here as well. Okay, you can see here, guys, server cat slash etc slash ansible slash host. Okay, you can see here. So here we are mentioned the, if example, this is a DB server IP. Okay, so the DB server IP means this is our control node. This is our target side. Okay, I just having 2 server, target 1 and target 2. Okay, so you can see the host name. This is the source.com. This one. This is a rack2.com. Okay, there is a 2 different server. I am taking the example for the session. Okay, so what is the meaning of the slash etc here? So slash etc Ansible host, that means this is the inventory. Okay, so I should mention this IP address. Okay, So I should mention this IP address so that it will going to act here. Okay, here is 141. Here is 146. Okay, this is the two server IPs. So I need to add from this entry. Okay, so after that only our Ansible server is going to communicate the target servers. Okay, that's it. This is called inventory. Okay, guys, got my point? So and then the running commands. I will show you these all the commands. So practically, so how it's work. Okay, so after you can understand. So is running these commands. Okay, guys. And then this is our host and group variables. That means so here we just mention only IP. Okay, only IP with this name. Okay, so if example DB servers, we have to make it DB servers. We have to make it accordingly. Okay, the host means if maybe the this server you can see here, so they are mentioning the particular port. If you want to run that script, so only the particular port, I mean the particularly word, right? So the particularly we are going to do any activities. So we have to mention that in our /etc. Okay, I mean the inventory files. Okay, that is called host and group variables. Okay, so these are all the our commands. We are going to practice that. Okay, so this is our small summary. So how we are going to do, how to create the Ansible configurations file. Okay, so how we can define our host entry and how it's work, and I will show you in front of you. Okay, so I just run some ad hoc command as well. Okay, let's go to the practical. Clear the screen now. Okay, so before we are going from here, I want to show you something. Okay, first we need to set up the two servers. Okay, so you just command ansible version. Okay, you can easily found your configuration location. So this is our configurations file locations. Okay, you can see here I already updated. Okay, so actually this is not a proper one. Okay, actually the default one is empty actually. Okay, I will show you. I don't know, I'm not taking backup or not. Yes, I take backup already. You can see here, this is the things I take backup before. Okay, you can see this is our old one. Okay, the old one is nothing is there inside. Okay, so it's going to run like a dummy. You can see this is our proper one. Okay, so whatever I explained the slide, so I added here. Okay, so once it's done, so what we are going to do, we are going to create the users. Okay, so I can clear the screen from here. I am going to create one user from uh, control node and target side, target 1 and target 2 as well. Okay, so you can see here. So what we are going to do now, we are going to create one Ansible user from here as well, and from this server as well. Okay, so it should be do for all the servers. Okay, so the control node also you have to do, and other all the targets. Okay, like n number of servers you have to do that, these things. Okay, so now we are going to fire the command. Guys, I will provide this command as well. Okay, okay, and same likewise we are going to do the second server as well. Clear the screen. Okay, likewise we are going to do here as well. Clear the screen before. Okay, done. Can validate. Okay, so we created successfully here as well. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, guys. Second step, what we are going to do, we have to going to provide. You can see here, we are going to provide the entry for the Ansible users. Okay, I already did. I think. Okay, I will show you here. If not, I will add it again. Okay, you can see. Go to this folder. I mean this file. You can add it. You can see here. I already added. Okay, whenever we are running the Ansible user, it should not ask the password. Okay, so that's what we updated in our OS level. Okay, we have to check from here as well. Target side as well. Target 1. Target side 1. Let me show you. Yes, here is not updated, right? So we have to update this one. Just we can copy and paste it. That's it. It's not a big deal actually. We just update the UIS level. So whenever they are going to do, so it should not accept. Okay. So and then here also is a target site, so target server, second one. Okay. So I think here I already updated. Let's see here. Yes, here I already updated. Okay. So that's it. So 3 servers is done. Okay. This is second step. So third step. So we are going to provide the password. The permit empty password should be S. Okay. You can see here. You can see here. Where is that password? You can see here the password authentication should be S. Okay. The same likewise you have to do. The same likewise you have to do in the target server as well. You can see vi command /etc ssh hd underscore config file. Okay. So we just go and make it already is there. Let me see. Let me check this server. This server also is there already. Okay. You can see here is already is there. No need to change anything. Okay. You have to go from here as well. You can check from here. Here are souls there. Okay. Password authentication is yes. So that's it. This is the third step. Okay. So third step is completed. Now what we are going to do? So we are going to start our services. Okay. It's not record actually. Okay. So now we can clear the screen here as well. Clear the screen. It's easy guys, not a big deal. Okay. So now we are going to log in the Ansible user. Okay. So you can check. So Ansible user. So now what we are going to do? So we are going to do enable this. We have to see, you can see here. So now what we are going to do? We are going to generate the key. Okay. We are going to generate the key from the control node to handshake between the both servers. Okay. How we are going to do? You can see here. So just SSH hyphen key generation. Just enter. Okay. It's done. Okay, guys. So now what we are going to do? You can make a note of the both servers. Okay. IP address. Okay. ifconfig. Same likewise here as well. Okay. So first what we are going to do? First we are going to transfer one server. So how we are going to transfer? You can see here SSH hyphen copy hyphen ID. This is an Ansible user. After that, you have to provide the target one IP. This is the target one IP, right? So you have to target one IP. Okay. Enter. You can provide the enter first time. You have to provide the password. So put your password. Okay. Now we are successfully added. Okay. So we are successfully added the favorite node in the control node. Okay. As a target one. Target one is finished. Done. Okay. So now we are going to add the target 146. Okay. You can see here 141 instead of 146. Same one. We can provide the S. Put the password. That's it. Okay. So now we are successfully logging successfully we are adding the both servers. Okay. How we can confirm? You just ping the IP from here. It should be ping. Okay. From 146. It's pinging. Okay. And same likewise you can try 141. It should be ping. Okay. From the server. If you want, you can try from here as well. So if you want SSH, it should be communicate. Okay. You can see here guys. You can see 46 source.com. You can see here. This is the source.com or what? Yes, this is the source.com. Okay. Sorry. You can easily understand it. You can see this is server I am connecting from here without password. Okay. Just I am enable the SSH. Okay. Just you can exit. Confirm this is your control node. Okay guys. Amaze.com is our control node. Okay. Clear. Okay. So this is the things we are going to do in our Ansible server and target side and the target 2 as well. Okay. So how many servers you have to do these things. Okay. So now what we are going to do now? we are going to enable, first we are going to enable the here you can see here vi slash etc slash host, sorry, slash ansible host. Okay, so now what we are going to do, yes, I should provide the sudo. Okay, one second, sorry, I should provide sudo. Okay, now we are going to edit accordingly, guys. You can see here. So what I am going to do, I am going to do just two things. Okay, so already is 41. I just DB server, I just mentioned 41. Okay, so I just make like this. You can see, sorry. So here I just mentioned what we can mention easily. Okay, test. Okay, is good, right? So 192.168.71.141. Okay, and same likewise 192.168.71, sorry, 71.146. Okay, so now what you are going to practice, DB server I added. You can see whenever we call DB server, this is going to execute 141. Okay, so yes, this is the good idea actually. Once again, I will remove this one. What happened? I am going to remove this one so that you can understand this thing. Okay, you can see here whenever I call DB servers, okay, it will going to read the 141 server. Okay, whenever I call test, it is going to 146 server. Okay, so this is for your reference. Okay, the sample one. So because I enable the another third server, so because PC is getting slowness. Okay, that's why I'm take the two server only. You see, once the entry is done, you clear, right, this entry. So based on our target, so this is our preference. Okay, in your environment DB server, you can mention the production server from here. So if you want test, you can make it test like this. Okay, so once it's done, so you are going to save the files. Okay, clear the screen, and you have to going from here as well, clear the screen. Going to from here, clear the screen. Okay, so now we are going to execute the command. You can see here. So first I am going to ping. Okay, guys, this is the command. You can see ansible.db servers. So DB servers, you remember, right? So DB servers, instead of I am doing that, so I will show you. You can easily understand as well. Okay, cat slash etc slash ansible host. Now you can understand. See here, guys. Oh my god. Okay, you can see here ansible DB servers. DB servers means I call this server. Okay, hyphen ping command. You can see the output here. So I just enable from here. Okay, you can see this is success. So it will going to read our 141 servers because I mentioned the success. So now what I am going to do, I just mention instead of DB servers, I am going to mention the test one. Okay, you can see here. If I give the test one, so it will going to read our test server. You can see, guys, 46 is success. So it's pinging. It's a 46 this test servers. Okay, so this is the way we are going to configure the servers. Okay, so if you want actually one more here, you can see here, if you want instead of here, you can just mention all. So what it happened if you mention all means, so whatever we mentioned that inside the slash etc ansible host, so it will going to read the all the servers. Okay, so the all means it will going to read the all the servers. If you want to mention only test, it will going to read only test servers. Okay, if you want the DB servers, it is going to DB servers. Okay, so based on that, it will work on that. Okay, guys, and then if you want to check these commands, you can see here. If you want a host name, this is hyphen a is argument. So we are passing the host name. You can see here, you will get source.com and rack2.com. You can see 141 servers rack2 and the 141 server 746 so source. Okay, so here you can use whatever command you want. If example you want df sorry, once again, if you want df space hyphen h, you can add it. Okay, if you provide the one, it will giving the this output. Okay, the 141 and the 146 output. Okay, so this is the basic things. So from what I did now, you can see here. So what I did now, I am connecting this server only. Okay, so I will access the two servers. Okay, by using a df-h, host name, date, calendar, whatever. So the based on that, we are going to initiate our installation. I mean, whatever you want, like whatever you are planning for the automations of that server. So you are going to achieve that. This is the way. Okay, so that's it, guys. The today class. Okay, so you can also practice on that. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me on that. I will explain that. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye.